In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the new Brave Wallet. By the end, you'll unlock your Brave Wallet, send and receive crypto, connect it to supported sites, and lock it securely when you're done. First, open Brave Browser, then click Wallet. You'll see the Brave Wallet panel or window open on your screen. If the wallet icon isn't visible on the toolbar, it may appear in the browser's main menu, but you're looking for the option labeled Wallet. Click it to continue. Enter your password. Type it carefully, then press Enter or click Unlock. This unlocks your Brave Wallet for use. Keep this password private and never share it on any website or with anyone. Now click Send. In the Send screen, enter the recipient address and the amount you want to send. Paste the address if you have it copied, and make sure there are no extra spaces. Double-check that the address is correct before you continue, because crypto transactions can't be reversed. When everything looks right, click Confirm. The wallet will submit the transaction. You'll see a confirmation or a pending status on screen. That's normal. Just let it process. Next, click Receive. This shows your wallet address for receiving funds. Click to copy the address. You can share this address with the sender so they can send crypto to your Brave Wallet. Only share this public address. Do not share your password or any private information. If you're using a screen recorder, you can show the copy action now so viewers see exactly where the address appears. From here, connect to sites. On a supported website that asks to use a wallet, click Connect Wallet. A Brave Wallet prompt will appear. Review the site requesting access, then click Approve. This connects your Brave Wallet to the site so it can read your public address and request transactions when needed. If the site opens a small pop-up, bring it into view so it's clear what you're approving. If you don't recognize a site, close the prompt instead. Approving only gives the site permission you can manage later. It does not move any funds by itself. Once you're finished, click Lock when done. This immediately locks your Brave Wallet and prevents any further actions until you re-enter your password. It's a good habit to lock the wallet anytime you step away from your device or after you complete a transaction. You can confirm it's locked by seeing the password screen appear the next time you open Wallet. At this point, you've opened Brave Browser and clicked Wallet, entered your password to unlock, sent crypto by clicking Send, entering the address and amount, and clicking Confirm. Received funds by clicking Receive, and copying your address. Connected your Brave Wallet to sites by clicking Connect Wallet and then Approve. And finally secured everything by clicking Lock when you're done. Your Brave Wallet is now set up for everyday use, and everything is working as expected. You can send, receive, connect to sites, and lock the wallet securely. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.